Right, getting ready to depart is the 1041 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street via Runcorn from Birmingham New Street, 35266 on the front. Finally left the bloody drunk bloody people going on a bloody night out in Liverpool on the train. Thank God. 260s on the back. Right, here comes the 1044 West Midlands Railway service to Birmingham New Street from Shrewsbury, 196102. Right, here's the Pullman from Paignton to Fort William. Alright, that's all we came for, now we can go home. I'm just joking. Right, here comes the passing cross-country service running from Manchester Piccadilly to Banbury via Coventry. 220017. Right, there goes the 1050 West Midlands Railway service from Warsaw to Wolverhampton. 35368. Right, there goes 172345 on the 1051 West Midlands Railway service to Whitlock's End from Kidderminster. Right, here comes the Vanity West Coast opportunity from Edinburgh to London Euston. 39121. Here comes the 1107 West Midlands Railway service to Warsaw via Birmingham New Street from Wolverhampton, 35239. Right, there goes 196102 on the slightly delayed 1103 West Midlands Railway service to, thanks for the horn from the driver, to Shrewsbury via Wolverhampton and Telford Central. Here comes the 1110 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street only from Liverpool Lime Street. 35403, one of the XTPs on the front. Rather busy. Connected to 350, 370 on the back end. Oh, it's the Cadbury World one. Right, there's 39128 to Preston from London Euston, Avanti West Coast. Right, there goes the 1120 West Midlands Railway service to Wolverhampton from Warsaw, 35123. I don't know why he's got Walsall written on the front of it. He's going to Wolverhampton. Right, here comes the Transport for Wales service to Holyhead. 158833 and 158837 Transport for Wales service to Holyhead via Shrewsbury and Chester. Right, here comes the Transport for Wales service from Holyhead to Birmingham International. 158827 and 158830. Right, here goes the cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads. 221127. Alright, passing through now as a cross-country service. 221135 from Bristol Temple Meads to Manchester Piccadilly via Stoke-on-Trent. Right, here's the slightly delayed 11:36 West Midlands Railway service to Walsall via Birmingham New Street to a return of 350-368. And it's a lot busier on the journey towards Birmingham New Street. Right, here comes the 11:41 London North Western Railway service to Liverpool Line Street via Runcorn. 350-370 is on the front. This goes via Stafford and Runcorn. And then I'll get the VIN number in a minute. Right, yeah, back of the Liverpool Line Street, London North Western. 35403. And the conductor looks like he's half asleep. Here comes the 11:50 West Midlands Railway service to Wolverhampton. This is my train. 35238. Let's hop on board. First of all, I might use the facilities.